Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to rotate table in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. First of all, let's consider the image method. If you don't plan to make changes to the table, then this method is the best solution. Select the table, then copy and paste it below for an example. A paste option appears in the lower right corner. Click on it and select Paste as Picture. And now our table has become a regular picture that can be edited as a picture. And also rotate it as you like. But unfortunately you can't edit it. Now consider the following method using a text box. Click on the cross icon in the upper left corner of the table, thereby highlighting it, and then copy the table. Now go to the Insert tab and click the text box button in the text section. For example, select the option Draw Horizontal Text Box, and then we draw this text box a little bigger than our table. We insert the previously copied table into the text box. And now we see a rotating arrow at the top of the text box. Click on it and turn our table in any desired direction. And what's nice about this method is that we can still edit the inserted table. And to reduce the size of the border of the text box, you can pull these dots of the text box and reduce or increase them to the desired size. And to make this border completely invisible, click the Shape Format tab and then Shape Outlines and select No Outline. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.